At almost 7,000 square feet, 214 Rainbow Drive is a beautiful luxury home minutes from uptown amenities.
Take a look inside this 7-bedroom home.
The stunning kitchen has granite countertops, floor-to-ceiling cabinetry, and a hidden walk-in pantry.
You'll find custom power blinds throughout the home.
The primary bedroom has doors to the back deck and a dreamy ensuite bathroom. Here you'll find a soaker jacuzzi tub, a walk-in tile shower, and the walk-in closet.
On this side of the home, you'll find another bedroom, a full bathroom, a mudroom, laundry room, and access to the attached garage.
The second level, with another full bathroom and 4 more bedrooms, also looks out over the main living area.
One of the bedrooms has its own ensuite bath. On almost 2 acres, with a fenced-in dog run, a beautiful back deck, and a fire pit, this home is as amazing outside as it is in.
Let's head downstairs.
The lower level has so much to offer, with 2 exterior doors, 2 half baths, and potential for an in-law suite.
You'll also find the fitness room, an office, and a family room.
For more information on 214 Rainbow Drive,
Visit FredericktonHomes.com.